How to fix Discord update failed. Now in order to fix if your Discord update is failed in your Android device, there might be few reasons for this issue to occur. First, you need to figure out what is causing the issue. One of the very common reason for this kind of issues is that your internet connection is not working properly. In that case, you might need to call your ISP providers, then tell your issue to them and they will fix your internet connection. In result, you will be able to fix your update failed on Discord. If this is not working, you need to go into the app settings and then select the option of storage from there. Then you need to tap into this option of clear cache. Then it will delete the cluttered cache in the application of your Google Play Store. Then it will help you fix the issue and you can download or update Discord. If none of these are helping, you might need to wait few hours or few minutes, because this problem also occurs whenever there is some internal server errors, and you might need to wait for few hours for them to fix the internal error and you will be able to update your Discord. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.